Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's Monday, November 30th, and I have a guest with me today.
Whoop
Oh,
whoop!
it's Mrs. Wright, and we're going to sing a song to you. But first, let's stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Nice job. You guys can have a seat. So you can see right down there, our virtue is perseverance. And perseverance means never give up. And we love that song, Never Give Up.
Never give
It
up.
always fits well with perseverance.
I wake up singing it.
Yep, it'll be stuck in your head all week. If you already know it, try and sing along with us. We'll sing the first verse a couple times so you can learn it and sing with us.
Never give up. Never give up. Gotta stick to it, gotta keep trying, never give up. Your first try may be a flop, but be patient and don't stop. Never give up. Never give up. Gotta stick to it, gotta keep trying, never give up. Your first try may be a flop, but be patient and don't stop. Never give up. Never give up. Gotta stick to it, gotta keep trying, never give up.
Nicely done. So perseverance means never give up, and I love the part of the song where it says your first try might be a flop.
Oh, that happens to me all the time.
Because some things take a long time to learn. Like to learn to play guitar, it took a whole bunch of tries. To learn other things, like having nice tidy handwriting in class, or your math page, might take a lot of tries. So here's your topic to discuss with your class this morning. How many tries do you think it takes to do all of these different things on the list? So start looking at that list there, start getting your hands up, and talk to your class about how many tries do you think it would take to do any of those things. Have a great day, Achieve.
Bye.